Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. This is coming from Elegear. We got a cooling blanket, brand new. What is it? Q-Max. So this is something you might want to keep in your car, though, in case you guys are in the cold spots like we are in Michigan. It is freezing outside today. Not a good time. I like the 70-degree weather, not this coldness. But this is what they look like. Really nice. Elegear. And hopefully everyone had a good New Year so far. Everybody is safe. There we go. Elegear. And then now we're going to open this up. Ooh, feels nice. Let's make sure, be careful where you cut it. Oh, this would be a big one. Whoa. Scissors out of the way. Here we go. This is a big one. We'll lay this on the ground. Hold on one sec. Alright guys, there it is. Really nice. I think it's like two-sided. Yeah, see? Pretty long too. Definitely could share it with two people. Or yourself. Doesn't matter. All you gotta do is click the link down below. Order one, order two. So, alright YouTubers, you guys be safe. Have a good weekend and see you soon.